Hausman, Buell, and DeYoung, 1, 2, and 3. Coming out of the backside turn, the Alligator Pit. It's Hausman, Buell, DeYoung, and the 6 bike of Brandt. Hausman, Buell, DeYoung, Brandt, 1, 2, and 3. Last turn coming up, here we go. It's Hausman, Buell, DeYoung. Andrew moves into the 4th slot this time around. Moto 21, 14-year-old intermediates. We can try to make something happen. That's going to be your top 3. 14-year-old experts, Gage from Hoggett, Callan, Zachary, and Lee.
Okay, ready.
Gate comes down. We're moving. It's the color control out in front. That's Gage from your leader, Zachary, in that 2nd slot. Gage for Zachary, 1 and 2. Lee moving into the 3rd slot. Gage for Zachary, Lee, 1, 2, and 3. The 59 is Hoggett. Down the backside, the tabletop, a little air time. Out through the Alligator Pit we go. Zachary puts a foot down, gets it back together. It's still Gageford, Zachary, Lee, 1, 2, and 3. Last turn heading for home. It's Gageford, Zachary, Lee. Gageford, Zachary, Lee, Hoggett. That's going to be your top 4 this time around. 23 is the moto. Nunn, Rotter, Rosell, and Duss. And the 98 is Shosty, 1, 2, and 3. 25 is the moto. We've got Riper, Flores, King, Stockman, Shively, Ray Winkle.
Ho, off.
It comes down, here we go. 35 gets out in a hurry. That's Shively, but he's got King on the outside shoulder. Goes it up to King. It's the main. King brings it right out of the backside. He's got the double 5 and Piper moves into the 2nd slot. It's King and Piper. A little smile over the flat top tabletop. Coming back this way. It's King, Piper, 1 and 2. King, Piper, Shively, Ray Winkle. King, Piper, Shively, 1, 2, and 3. Throw a blanket over 2 through 5. Coming back at us. Shively trying to move in. I don't know. Whoa. We're going to take just a second here. Check these. Fine.
Clark, don't bounce if you're going to sit there. You're going to have to stay real still.
Piper, Flores, King, Stockland, Shively, Ray Winkle. Need you guys at the finish line now, please. 16 extra. Real quick, then we'll be off and running again. We will be taking a break doing 2nd and 3rd photo. We're going to raffle off a mountain bike, a 20-inch Mongoose. We got a barbecue grill. We got a $50 savings thing. We got that all written down up here probably. 2 Echo helmets, headphone radio, a half an hour seating plane flight. Boy, that'd be neat. And a 15-year-old Express Moto 26, the big man, Michael Thomas, doing it out in front right now. Michael Thomas, hot dog Michael, bringing it down the backside. 2nd slot is Air, 3rd slot is ML Wright. Here we come into the Alligator Pit. Hot dog Michael out in front right now, bringing it back this way on the gas. Must have been all the mud down the stock. He's got the leg strengthened up. Coming back this way. It's Thomas out in front. Reich moves into that 2nd slot. Thomas, Reich, and